At ENCY Software, we are always open for collaborations with robot manufacturers around the world. We believe that strong technological partnership can help us to create more flexible and more accessible solutions for users and partners. And this year, we're taking the first steps towards the technological partnership with ESTUN, the company with a strong growing presence in industrial robotics and automation. To tell us more about ESTUN perspective, please welcome Marco.
Thank you. Okay, I will start immediately. My name is Marco Pecchenini. I come from Italy, and I'm the sales director for the Italy and Mediterranean area. Mediterranean area means from Slovenia down to Greece and back to Romania and Bulgaria. It's a really wide area. ESTUN is a Chinese company. It's a Chinese company, not really well known in Europe because we are pretty new in the European market. Maybe our Asian friends well known ESTUN, but in Europe is just arrived. It was established the holding at the end of 24, so it's less than 2 years that we are present in Europe. In China, we count about 3,300 people, and what is important to see is the amount of the revenue we invest in the research and development, which is more than 10%. The company is pretty new because it was established in China in '93 with a motion control company, and then focus on robotics. Now in China is the number one, is the leader in the production and in sales of the robot, industrial robot and cobot. Just to give you a value, China is today the main market for robotics, covering about 55% of the global market of robotics. That means 310,000 units sold in China, which is a huge amount of unit. As I already told, we are the number one. Number one means first producer and first in number of units sold in the territory, in Chinese territory. For any application, yeah, because we are starting from the new energy. We are providing the big supplier of photovoltaics devices, but also the automotive is the main sector in China today. As you know, probably a lot of brands are coming also in Europe. We have a capacity of production, yearly capacity of production of 60K unit per year. This is the production site in China, where we have 4 factories. We do everything by ourselves, not the reducer of the colleague from Sterbley, but this is the only part not yet, I say not yet, made internally. So we are doing the electronic devices, the component, the servo amplifier, the motor, the encoder, the machining, and everything is done in Nanjing. Nanjing is where the main factory are located, 4 factories today, and we have a new factory also in Poland. You will see later where we are focused. This is the presence in worldwide. So as you can see, in Asia and the Asian part is where we are most popular, but we are also growing in Europe and also in US and South America. What about organization in Europe? Because, you know, as for you, the important when we have a new brand is the support that you can provide. And which are the reason for which we decided to come in Europe. The first reason was to become a real global brand, because now well known in China, but not so much out of the China. The second one is to support the existing Chinese company coming in Europe. If you are looking the producer of automotive like BYD, which is our main customer in China, is now establishing new production site in Europe, one in Hungary, one in Spain, and we are here to follow this company. The third, and is the most important from my point of view, is to be an attractive alternative to the major brand already present in Europe. We will know many brands of robotics. We name, for example, ABB, Fanuc, KUKA, and Stoibli, for example. But ESTUN is the new one, the new alternative of this brand. This is the factory. Factory finished last year. Last year in September, we received this building. This new building is in Wrocław, in Poland. It's 36,000 square meter, and this is to become more European than other brands. So we will start the production during this year, step by step. We will introduce the production. It's a new building. Here we have also a delegation of the R&D coming from China, so a stable R&D office, which is supporting all the requests coming from Europe, because, you know, Europeans are highly requesting in terms of performance, news, and what else. And this group of R&D is exactly answering to the question coming from Europe. So Europeans supporting European, and the Chinese are on the side of the European to develop all the requests. Situation in Europe is like this now. At the end of this year, we will have finally 9 subsidiaries directly managed by us. So we are not dealer, but our dealer are the system integrator providing robot and providing plant and including robot. So at the moment we have 9 subsidiaries. We will grow for sure, but we have also to be focused on develop the structure and the technical support that we need to have. Product range, yeah, we have a real wide product range. We start from 3 kilo, we can arrive to 1,200 kilos, so a very big robot. And in the middle, we have also the cobot, as many other company. Today, we can count 6 type of robot, any kind, starting from the SCARA, moving on small robot, medium, large, and ultra large payload. With this robot range, we can cover all the application, and this is why, and one of the reasons for which we are here today. Cooperation, yeah, this is the most important thing, because we are pretty new in Europe, and now we are trying to establish the cooperation with main company and partner that can provide a grow in the future for both, for us and for the partner. ENCY is an example, because in ENCY Software now we are included as part of the 25 robot and more declared before in the first presentation. In ENCY Robot we can now select also the ESTUN robot. So we can generate the path, the milling application, the additive application, or what else. And we also, this is also based on the request we are receiving on the market, because at the moment, the major part of the requests we are receiving are related to the machining, so milling, and additive, for which we are doing a good job, especially in Italy for the both, or part of the both production, where Italy is really strong. About the library, as I already told, there are a lot of models, and we are also increasing the number of the unit included in the software. So just selecting the arm, so the size, the payload, the dimension of the robot, and do the process as for the other robot. This is what you have already seen in the first presentation, but is the testing area where with ENCY we developed the post-processor for the robot. In this particular video, we can see a cobot. And now in progress, there is also the development for the industrial robot, because there are different languages between robot and robot industrial and cobot. Also for the cobot, for example, which is really requested, we can cover payload up to 20 kilo, and soon we can also cover 35 kilo cobot. This was another. This is another request we received concrete. The request was coming from Romania, if I remember well. It's a producer of component for sanitary, and the first approach with ENCY was exactly to do this. In this case, is wood, but in fact is marble production, and the robot is doing exactly the product requested by the company and designed by the old designer. You have already seen probably what happened when a robot is doing a milling application with a sequence of points. But you know, it's always difficult to have the robot respecting the trajectory designed by the CAD/CAM. With this solution, we were able to reach a good result, and the company is now negotiating the solution in the plant. That's all.
Thank you.